Deputy Chairman, sir, for giving me the opportunity to record my concern here over the increasing trend of raising prices of certain essential commodities like edible oils, pulses, etc. The result is showing on other commodities also, sir, like vegetables, fruits, etc. This has a direct effect on the Aam Aadmi, whom we say the entire government is working on. So, this is of much concern, sir, the need of the hour. The main reason for the increase in the prices is the mismatch between the supply and demand. That is, when the demand is very huge and the supply is less, certainly it paves way for increasing the price. The supply is less due to flood or drought conditions. In such a condition, supply of essential commodities can be increased only through import. If at all hoarding is there, we can impose stock holding limits, and tightening of dehoarding operation will also have only a temporary relief. This cannot have a desired effect on price rise if the supply condition is acute. Yettalum, yittalum, kattalum, katta, vahuttalum, valladarasu, says the Tamil poet, which means the government should be able to create the resources, guard it very well, and then equally distribute it. This is what the government of India is doing now. India is now facing such a short supply, particularly in respect of pulses and oils. The government of India is implementing a scheme for importing and supplying edible oils and pulses to the state for its distribution through PDS. But, sir, the quantum of supply is very, very inadequate for Tamil Nadu. For instance, in Tamil Nadu, the state has supplied 71,000 tons of tur dal, whereas the central government agencies have supplied only 250 tons. 29,000 and odd tons of urad dal have been supplied through PDS in Tamil Nadu, whereas the central government agencies have supplied only 4,750 tons to Tamil Nadu. Similarly, 69,000 and odd kiloliters of palm oil has been supplied by the Tamil Nadu government through PDS, but the central government agencies have supplied only 20,000 kiloliters of palm oil to Tamil Nadu. Similarly, 17,000 and odd atta, 4,000 and odd suji, 15,000 and odd maida, and 43 tons of masala packets have also been distributed through PDS from April 2009 in Tamil Nadu. Apart from introducing the rupees 1 per kg of rice, this masala packets, this is another unique system of cutting the price rise in Tamil Nadu, sir. All the important masala things like coriander powder, chili powder, even mustard seeds, all these things are packeted, which is worth more than 100, but it is distributed through the PDS system for just rupees 50, sir. Here, it's very clear that the supply given by the central government is very inadequate, whereas the state government of Tamil Nadu is able to manage this situation. How is it possible, sir? They are only by the additional budgetary provisions. Nearly 400 to 500 crores of money is being spent to buy the essential commodities from the open market and to supply this as a subsidized rate to protect the poor people of Tamil Nadu, irrespective of the quantum supplied by the government of India. The same case is with sugar also, sir. I would like the government of India to take some long-term measures so that there is an increase in the supply by increasing the production and also the productivity, sir. This can be achieved only by incentivizing the cultivation of such crops and also by adopting better and promoting high-yielding variety and also by following good agronomic policies. Sulandum Yerpinnadu Ulagam, says Valluvar. There is another interesting Tamil cinema song, but it is worth quoting here, sir. Enna valam illai inda tirunattil, yen kaiyai yenda vendum velinattil, olungai paadubadu vayalnattil, uyarado un madippu ayalnattil, which means, sir, everything is possible if you are concentrating properly with the farmers and in the fields, sir. Pulses and oil seeds can be grown in large in our climatic conditions. For this, I request that the government can give the hybrid seeds to the farmers free of cost. And if not freely, at least at the 50% rate, sir. Again, just two more suggestions, sir. The MSP is always at the very low level, which results in the government agencies not able to procure at the desired quantity, sir. I request that the remunerative rate may be fixed for the essential commodities like we have fixed for sugarcane. Otherwise, the MSP should be fixed on par with the moving average, that is taking into consideration the market price.
Okay.
With this observation, sir, I request that the Government of India should support the state governments like Tamil Nadu, which is taking several proactive measures to implement PDS as an effective anti-inflationary schemes, and also to consider the short-term and long-term measures to curb the price rise at large. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Dr. Subbaramia Reddy. Subbaramia Reddy.